Welcome back to this class of social influence. We have already studied what is conformity, the first type of social influence, then what is compliance, and now the third type, the obedience, which is not as frequently used as conformity and compliance. They are the part of the society, but everybody of you, you must have followed the orders of your teacher in school or your parents, your mother. You must have followed the orders when you never felt like obeying her, so you must have obeyed her. So if you have done, everybody of you, if you have done, and I'm sure you all have gone under the process when you never wanted to do those particular things and follow those commands, but you were forced to and you had to follow those commands. So I'm sure you already know the third type of social influence, that's called obedience. So we all are wanted by our elders, our authorities, our everybody. They want us to be follow this social influence of obedience, and we have been very obedient. Why? Because though it is not that familiar, even those who have the set authority, like our parents, like our boss in workplace, even then they know that they can command to us, they can ask, they can seek orders and get the work done. Even then, after knowing their authority, they are humbly requesting us, our mother sweetly telling, please give me a glass of water, rather than ordering us. And our boss requesting us with humble words by telling, Mr. So and so, Miss so and so, it is only you who can do this work, so kindly do this. So kind and humbleness is exerted. But beta, researchers have found that wherever the real kind of obedience have been followed, it had followed to the extent of great disaster. It had followed, in World War II, Germany, gave commands to, eliminate the Jews, and Nazis were after Jews. So Nazi soldiers, they were told to even genocide the Jews. No Jew, no child, not even a small child should be alive, and they should kill everybody. But such kind of dreadful thing, no human can kind of agree to it. But still, they obeyed the commands of the people, and only they had to say that they did not do it. It was the command. It was the higher ups who wanted them to kill and shoot people. Like I gave you an example of these Nazis camp. Similarly, in wherever there is brutality and it has been done by the belt force or something of one force influencing the other, they obey to the extent whether somebody of that organization does not even want to kill even a small ant. एक चींटी को भी नहीं कोई मार सकता. But when it comes to the question and the command of the senior on the junior, they are ready to obey it. Because why? Because they want to be into the good books of their seniors. So obedience has a great depth of the influence inside. बेटा रिसर्चेस में एक 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 एक्सपेरिमेंट हुआ, जिसमें एक इंसान की ड्यूटी लगाई कि दूसरे चैम्बर में जो है उसको तुमने शॉक्स देना है. और जब वो शॉक देता था, छोटा सा शॉक देता था, तो दूसरे चैम्बर में बैठा हुआ इंसान चीखता था. उसकी वो चीख पुकार सुन के ये इंसान डर जाता था, बट स्टिल स्टॉप नहीं होता था कमांड लेने वाला. वो कमांड लेता था और शॉक्स को इंक्रीज करता जाता था. पीपल were kind of, they were not believing 440 volt is the maximum this thing. Even that level they went to give the shocks of the to the people sitting on the another chamber. So obedience, beta, many factors are responsible for obedience to occur. So social psychologists have identified several additional factors that seem to play a role and together these combine to make most people unable to resist such situational pressures. So first beta, in many situations the people in authority relieve those when obey of the responsibility for their own actions. नंबर वन फैक्टर है कि वो चीज़ करने के बाद इंसान अपने दिमाग में ये चीज़ डालता है, ये मैं नहीं हूँ, मैंने नहीं ऐसा किया, ये मुझसे करवाया गया है, तो ये पाप उसका है जिसने मुझे कमांड दिया. आई सिंपली हैड टू ओबे इट. सो दैट इज़ द फर्स्ट फैक्टर. सेकेंड बेटा, people in authority often possess visible badges and they are status people, and they automatically, their uniform, their body language, their status, their hierarchy, they are here. So ये वाला जरूरत ही नहीं कर सकता उनको, उनकी पर्सनैलिटी से ही इतना इन्फ्लुएंस हो जाता है, उनका यूनिफॉर्म पे बड़े बड़े स्टार्स लगे होते हैं, दैट उसको ओबे करना ही होता है. एंड थर्ड बेटा, a third reason for obedience in many situations where the targets of such influences might otherwise resist, they involve the gradual escalation of the authority. So authoritative figures orders, so initial commands may call for relatively. बेटा होता क्या है कि कोई भी जो अथॉरिटी है वो स्टार्टिंग में छोटा कमांड देती है, जैसे अरेस्ट द पीपल, जो मॉब डिमॉन्स्ट्रेशन कर रहा है उस पर हल्की हल्की लाठी चार्ज करिए. सो ऑटोमेटिकली जब आप एक हल्का कमांड ले लेते हो तो धीरे धीरे अथॉरिटीज़ क्या करती हैं, वो फुट इन द डोर स्टेप कर देती हैं, वो अपना पाँव अड़ा देती हैं और आपको फंसाने के बाद में आपको छोटी कमांड से बड़ी कमांड, एंड अल्टीमेटली दे विल टेल यू टू शूट, एंड यू हैव टू शूट द पीपल एंड you don't want, but why? Because you are already involved into it. First step was कि लाठी चार्ज करिए, और first step was कि okay, go and teach them that whatever they are doing is against the system. But once we are involved into it, तो वो धीरे 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 orders को increase कर लेती हैं और हम hypnotize हो जाते हैं और हमको पता भी नहीं चलता higher ups की authorities जो हैं वो कैसे करती हैं. Lastly बेटा, events in many situation involving destructive obedience, जहाँ पे भी destructive obedience होता है वहाँ बेटा हालात ऐसे होते हैं कि यहाँ पे मॉब खड़ा है, वो डिमॉन्स्ट्रेट कर रहा है और ये मॉब कभी भी वायलेंट हो सकता है. सो इससे पहले ये लोग आपको मारें, सो यू फॉलो द ओबीडियंस टू शूट, टू किल पीपल एंड टू सेव योर ओन सेल्फ. सो दिस mechanism, one is standing here and one is standing here, so they are following the command of their higher ups and they are following the commands of their higher ups. So what happens, it is first come first basis, and before they kill me, let me kill them. So these kind of factors are very very important, and in case somebody wants to stop this destructive obedience, so he or she should take care about what kind of things, because mostly ये देखा गया है बेटा कि हम वो काम नहीं करना चाहते हैं, हमारी मजबूरी हमसे वो काम करवाती है. बेटा हम में से कोई भी ऐसा इंसान नहीं होगा जो दुनिया में किसी का मर्डर करना चाहेगा, किसी को मारना चाहेगा, लेकिन हमारी कंडीशनिंग ब्रेन की ऐसी होती है कि अगर कोई सिपाही अपनी देश की रक्षा के लिए किसी को मारता है, सो दैट इज़ नोन एज अ गुड सोल्जर एंड ही हैज़ टू फॉलो द कमांड एंड बी अ गुड ओबीडियंस. I hope you have understood this topic of social influence with conformity as a topic, with compliance as a topic, and with obedience as a topic. Thank you so much beta. In case of any queries, please write in the comment section in the Google class. Thank you so much. Have a good day.